Hallo Leute, hi people, and welcome to my first episode of Learning German with Tejan. In today's episode, we are going to learn about German alphabets and their pronunciation. Do you know German alphabets and English alphabets are almost similar, but there are some additional alphabets which are there in German language. So without wasting time, let's quickly start it. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, there are additional alphabets in German language which are U, O, A, and this is Z. Z. So, this is called accent. A umlaut, which is A, O umlaut, which is O, U umlaut, which is U. So, here is one tip. German language alphabets and English language alphabets are similar in writing, but they are slightly different in pronunciation. Which are they? For example, A is A, C is say, E in English is A, and I in English is E. Again, G in German is G, J is J, Y is Y, and Z is set. V is V, and W is. Hope you found this video very helpful and informative. Share it with someone who may need it. And see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.